guys, so this is Gbpusd. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I recently started my trading activities this week. I fully started my trading activities this week. That is the second week of January. I hope you guys enjoyed your Christmas and New Year period. So right now we are back to business. So today I'm going to do analysis on Gbpusd. I'm going to do a top-down analysis on Gbpusd to know where we are going and what we should be focusing on right now in the market. So I'll start from monthly time frame. So what I do on the monthly time frame is to mark out my key areas and where price is heading to, and where I want price to react, and where I'm looking for potential entries. Now, as you can see on Gbpusd on the monthly time frame, I'm not going to go more back in chart. I'm just going to stop here. I'm just going to start from here to analyze because I'm a day trader, I'm not a swing trader. So you can see on monthly time frame, we have this up close candle, that's a bullish candle, and also if you're using the HOLC concept, you can see this is a bullish reversal and is on monthly time frame, so it is a high probability candle that can project price to move down. As you can see a rejection, price reach up to this level and start rejecting and close here. So after this bullish reversal, you can see the next candle was bearish, the second one was also bearish, the third one was also bearish, which means that this bullish up close candle pushed price down. So, and as you can see, price came up to that level again, and it is starting to push price down again. So, but we need to input our craft to understand what price is currently doing. So, as you can see here, this is previous month candle. As you can see, it closed on indecision, not much of indecision. You can see there was a weak below and there was a weak up. So as you can see, this January candle is now pushing down. So I'm expecting last month candle to be a potential liquidity. That's potential low to clear. So it is now the drop of liquidity. And if you look closely, you will see that this candle, this low candle here is creating a fair value gap on these two levels. So I'm expecting price to come to this level. So we are going to move down to daily time frame. Remember time frame alignment: monthly, daily, 1 hour, 5 minutes, then 1 minute. If I'm working with weekly, then I'll move down to 4 hours, then I'll move down to 15 minutes, then I'll move down to 1 minute. So I'm going to move down to daily time frame right now. So with the reaction we're seeing at that zone above, okay, as you can see here, this low is the liquidity we are targeting. So I'm going to delete this and just say, I'm just going to put something like this. So this low is the money we are targeting. So let's analyze here and see what happened. We have this breakout structure to the upside. Okay. So now this breakout structure to the upside, price pushed down to at least the 50% of the discount of this range here and pushed up again. So and they dropped again. They couldn't take out this low and they couldn't take out this high. So and now they recently take out this low. So we are having a shift in market structure here and a change of character, which is signaling that the market is going to drop. And also it is now working with our monthly time frame bias as clearing this low. So you'll find a potential reversal pattern here to take out this low out. So I'm going to put this as a change of character here in the daily time frame. If we find a POI here before price will reach there, it's going to take like more days. If we do find a POI here, so we have this change of character. Remember, this low is our target. Now, the last up close candle before this bearish retracement, before this bearish move is this candle. This is the last up close candle. So, if you look closely, you see there's a fair value gap here. So, I'm expecting a reaction inside this fair value gap. Though this daily candle has not closed, but at least as from tomorrow, I'm expecting some reaction from here. Here and here. I'm expecting a reaction inside this fair value gap, but the most zone I'm going to, at least my potential zone, is this up close candle here. Alright, so this is the zone. I'm going to show you the reason why at least price is going to react. I'm going to expect a reaction from this level here. I'm going to show you the reason on the lower time frame. Okay, let me go down to one hour time frame. And this is 1 hour time frame. And this is the low. Let me mark it again on the daily time frame. So this is the low here. So let's head down to 1 hour. So you see the reason why I'm expecting the most reaction at that zone. And this is on 1 hour time frame. And if you look closely, you will see that. If you look closely, you see that the market was in a bullish condition. From here, they reacted from this demand here that caused the break of structure to the upside and break structure above. So this is supposed to be a strong demand, and the market breaks that zone. So we're expecting a reaction as a breaker block on this level. So this level is now working or presenting as a breaker block. So I'm expecting the most reaction from this level. And within this zone, anything, if price comes up to this level, as usual, wait for the break of structure and market structure shifts, then we'll start dropping. So this is why I have on Gbpusd on the daily. I'm going to stop on the daily time frame. Yes. As from tomorrow, I'm expecting the next candle to build up to this level. Then we'll know what happens next. So remember, everything is on confirmation. I'm going to put a eye here as my zone of interest. So this is the target. So this is what I'm seeing on Gbpusd, and price, I'm expecting price to go more down to this level. Yes, that's what I'm expecting price to do. So I'm going to stop here on Gbpusd. There is nothing else to see on the chart, so we are not going to force a setup. So we are just going to do what, or analyze what we see, and not force a setup out of the market. So this is what I'm seeing currently on Gbpusd. If we go down to maybe 1 hour time frame, Okay, a body candle have already closed below this low, so there is nothing to fear again. You just have to wait for price to come up. If you are a patient trader, you just have to wait for this one and also wait for a confirmation. If you don't see it, just stay out of the market and stay clear. I'm going to mark out the structure which I'm seeing here. Okay, let me start here. This was a high point. Maybe this is my structure begins, the low point, and lastly here. So this is it. When price comes to this level, I'm expecting some reaction. Then make a structure shift to the downside on 1 hour time frame. Then I'll take my trade, or maybe 5 minutes, 1 hour. As far as price has reached on this last up close candle here, but this is where the order is lying. So as far as price has reached here, any confirmation I see on the lower time frame, I'm going to take price down to this low, even more to these lows, because all of them are now liquidities that the market are going to clear out. So I'm going to put my alerts on this level, and I will stay off the market so that I will not be addicted or try to force something out of the market. If you're always on the charts, that means you don't know what you're looking for. Because if you're on the chart, whenever you come on the chart and look for what you are looking for, you did not see it, you just have to stay off. Always on the chart. Nothing happened to me. I was still looking, I think that was last 2 years, early last year. When I stay on the chart always, sometimes I might force a setup and start taking a trade that I did not plan. So my alert is now here. So I'm waiting for the alert to be hit, and I'll do something else with my life. So thank you very much for watching to the end of this video. I hope you learned something. By next week, I'll be fully grounded to be presenting good, more educational videos here on YouTube. But for now, learn from the stock analysis that I just did on Gbpusd. Thank you very much. If you have any contribution, please feel free in the comment section, ask me any question. Remember, I will always do a video for you if you ask me anything. If you ask me to analyze it for you, I'll do it and send to you. Thank you very much. Please stay safe. Enjoy. Bye.